Okay, so everyone, we are going to start the new chapter, which is the reaching the age of adolescence. So in our day-to-day life, in our day-to-day life, we experience, we used to experience different kind or various kinds of emotions. Okay, sometimes we feel happy. Okay, sometimes very happy. Okay, sometimes we feel sad. Okay, sometimes nervous is nothing but the sadness. Okay, similarly we experience various emotions such as fear also. Sometimes we experience various emotions like fear. Okay, sometimes excitement. Okay, sometimes anger, sometimes worry. Okay, sometimes embarrassment. Sometimes irritation. Okay, these all are nothing but the emotions. I'm just highlighting that part, very important. Okay, the sadness, the happiness, okay, fear, excitement, anger, irritation, embarrassment, and worry. All these are nothing but various kinds of emotion that we used to feel or in our day-to-day life. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so now I'm just giving you some situation. You had to identify which kind of emotion you will face at that particular time. Okay, so first I'm just giving you some example. Suppose if you see a tiger approaching you.
So scared.
Yes, if you see a tiger approaching you,
And
approaching
sir
you.
scared and I'm worried.
Yes, even fear also. Then where, so I'm writing here fear. Okay, fear and worry also, but that time you only feel fear. Okay,
Yes,
again.
sir.
Yes, second situation is for Nitya. If you see your younger brother playing with your school project and he is broke that,
Sir, you will feel very, you'll feel
anger.
anger, embarrassed also, sir.
Not embarrassed, beta. You have not shown to your school.
Oh,
Okay, that time your younger brother if breaks your school
anger
project, then
and
you will
worry.
feel anger. Yes, anger and worry also. Okay, yes,
Yes.
good. Now for Manideep, if your mother gets angry at you. Yes, Manideep,
Sir,
if your mother gets angry on you, then what will be your emotion?
worry, sir.
No, beta, sad. You will feel sad.
Yes, sir. Sad.
Okay, you will feel sad. Okay, next for Saman.
Yes, sir.
If you find your bicycle is stolen,
Sir, I will feel angry.
angry and
Sad.
Worry also. Angry,
Sad also.
not
Very
angry, but sad and worry.
Yes, sir.
Sad and worry. On whom you are going to anger? No one, no, because
Sir,
you
on the
don't know the.
person who has told that thing will say bad about him.
Okay, so next is for who is left now? Who is left? Wait a second. Ayush.
sir.
It is for Ayush. Ayush or Divyesh. Suppose if you forgot your textbook at home and your teacher is going to check that. Yes.
Sir, worried, embarrassed.
Yes. Worried, worried, worried. Not embarrassed. You have completed that, right? Okay. The sixth one for Divyesh. Divyesh. Divyesh, am I audible? Okay, just anyone can answer. Just I'm asking, we use a situation, anyone can answer that. Suppose your friends teasing you,
Sir,
Angry, sir.
angry
Angry.
and embarrassment also. Okay. Okay, so good. So I want everyone, I have to take a screenshot for that. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to understand which system is going to like control most of the emotions and which is the endocrine system. Is it?
Sir, it's adrenal and gland, no?
Yes, yes. It is also called as endocrine system.
Okay.
Endocrine gland, yeah. So I'm just writing here endocrine system. Okay.
Can we do quiz at the last, sir?
Yes, we'll do definitely. Okay. So endocrine system is nothing but it consists of or the collection of specialized organ. So I'm writing here the definition for endocrine system. It is very important. The endocrine system or the system which consists of collection of specialized organ that secretes particular chemical substance are called as glands. Are called as glands, and these glands are localized at a specific place inside our body. These glands are located specific place inside our body. Okay, they are located inside our body at a particular location only. Okay, the chemical substance released by
Yes,
these
sir.
glands are called as hormones. The chemical substance secreted by secreted by glands, the chemical substance secreted by such glands are called as hormones. Are called as beta hormones. Okay, so the gland which secrete a specific enzyme or the chemical substance, those chemical substance are called as hormones, and these hormones are responsible for controlling various activities within our body. Okay, so what are hormones? Hormones are the chemical substance which are secreted by various glands of the endocrine system. Okay, do
Yes,
reply.
sir.
Yes. So these hormones are directly secreted in blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels. Hence, hormones
Yes, sir.
secreted by endocrine system. Hence, hormones secreted by endocrine system present all over the body. Of organism. Most of the time, the question is being asked that why hormones secreted by endocrine gland are present all over the body, because they secretes their secretion directly into the bloodstream. That's why endocrine glands or the hormones secreted by endocrine gland are present all over the body along with blood. Okay, these glands do not have any specialized transportation system or ducts to transport their secretion. Hence, these glands are also called as ductless gland. I'm writing very important point here. All these points are very important. Okay, I'm making them star point. Last point I'm writing over here. See, the glands, the endocrine gland do not have ducts to transport their secretion. Okay, they do not have ducts to transport their secretion. Hence, endocrine glands are also called as ductless gland. Okay, everyone, it is really very important point we discuss here. First, second, here we have first point, the second point, third point, fourth point, and fifth point. Very important. Take a screenshot, everyone. Now we're going to discuss the important gland comes under the endocrine system. Okay, so in case of human being, okay, major glands, I'm starting here. In case of human being, or in case of human, endocrine systems, the main glands, the major glands are, okay, first we have pituitary gland.
Yes, sir. It controls height.
We will discuss after that in detail. Then
Thyroid gland.
second we have thyroid gland. thyroid gland. Then we have adrenal gland,
Yes, sir.
adrenal gland.
So then pancreas.
Yes, then we have pancreas or pancreatic gland.
Yes, sir.
They are also called as pancreatic gland. Then we have ovaries,
Yes, sir.
and last but not the least,
Testes.
testes. Yes. Okay, so these are the major glands present in human body which controls various activities. Okay, and they secretes various enzyme or chemical substance called hormone, and they controls many activities, even growth, secondary sexual characters, emotions, and everything. Okay, so these are
Yes,
the
sir.
major glands. Yes. Next star point I'm writing here. The pituitary gland is called as beta master gland. Okay, because it
Yes,
controls
sir. It
activity
controls
of
the
all
height
other
of
glands.
the body.
Yes, and it controls the activity of all other glands also. That's why it is called as master of the gland. Okay, so I'm
Yes,
writing
sir.
here pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, which is located at the base of the brain. At the base of the brain. Very important. Its location is base of the brain. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It is also called as master gland. Master gland. Okay. Of the endocrine system.
Yes, sir.
Of the endocrine system. Because hormones secreted by pituitary gland, hormones secreted by pituitary gland controls activities of other endocrine gland. Controls activity of other endocrine gland.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is again very important point that you have to remember. Take a screenshot here again.
Look, sir.
Everyone done, beta?
Done, sir.
Okay. So here we have this adrenal gland, which is very important. Now we will discuss about adrenal gland little bit.
Sir,
Okay.
thyroid.
Adrenal gland.
Sir, thyroid, we missed thyroid gland.
Yeah, we will discuss that also. We will discuss
Okay,
about everything, but a little description about adrenal gland. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The adrenal gland is called as gland of emergency. Is called as the gland of emergency. Because because the hormones secreted by it, the hormones secreted by adrenal gland, okay,
Yes,
which
sir.
prepare body of organism,
Yes, sir.
okay, to face dangerous situation, dangerous dangerous situation. Okay, and the hormones secreted by adrenal glands are, I am writing over here. Okay, hormones secreted by endocrine adrenal glands are
Adrenaline.
yes, adrenaline.
Yes, sir.
Okay, its other name also we have, it's epinephrine. EPINEPHRINE, epinephrine or adrenaline. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that hormones prepare body of an organism to face the danger situation. Okay, suppose if you are walking through the street and 2-3 dogs come approaching you, so that time to take immediate decision whether to run or whether to fight with the dog. Okay, this adrenal gland secretes adrenaline or epinephrine hormone, which makes your body either to run away from there or to fight with the dog. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why adrenal gland is called as gland of emergency. Very important. Okay, so it is the important, really very important, the role of adrenal gland here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so the hormone secreted by this adrenal gland called adrenaline or epinephrine, they are called as fight or fight hormones. A fight or flight. Okay, they are also called as fight or flight. Okay, that we discuss the situation whether to fight with the dog or whether to run away from there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if you will fight with them, so it is called as fight hormone, or if you will run away from that situation, so it is flight hormone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is because of this hormone that the body experiences emotional states such as anger or excitement. That time, these, if you will feel, suppose at that particular situation, the anger, okay, or the excitement or the fear. So all these, emotions, due to all this emotion, you are not going to make a perfect decision. So that time adrenal gland helps. Okay, the hormone
Yes, sir.
secreted by adrenal gland deactivates the activity of other hormones, and it makes you to take very quick decision whether to fight or whether to run away from there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that time the various changes takes place in body, because in order to take quick decision your body require more energy. Hence, the heart rate increases. So I'm just writing here that particular situation. Okay, what are the effects on the body? So first effect is what? Increases the heart rate. Heart rate increases. Okay, next,
Yes, sir.
blood sugar level also increases. Blood sugar level increases. Okay, then overall increases if we will increase and also
Sir,
respiratory
blood
system.
sugar level is for pancreas, right?
No,
Sir,
no, no.
blood sugar level is for pancreas, right?
No. I'm discussing about that particular time your body require more energy, right? So who is going to provide energy to your individual cells? Sugar, because sugar will break down to form glucose, and glucose will get oxidized quickly in order to release the energy. Okay, that time the insulin hormones activity decreases.
Sir, can we play quiz?
Wait, let complete that first. Okay, so blood sugar level increases, and respiration, the rate of respiration, means breathing, also increases. That means that particular situation, your body is getting full with the energy. Okay. Overall, I'm writing here overall increases body of energy level. Overall increases energy level of the body. Energy level of the body. Why? To take a quick decision whether to run away from there, you will run very fast in that particular situation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Faster than the race. Faster than the race. Okay, everyone.